Hello my dear students. So in our last session, we had a discussion on trigonometric identities and some problems related on trigonometric identities. So you already know that, right? Trigonometric identities. So first one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So in this session, we will discuss some problems related on trigonometric identities. So in that first one, so prove that square root of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x is equal to secant x plus tan x. So we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So by using LHS, square root of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. So we have to prove that secant x plus tan x. So first we have to consider LHS value. So solution, they already given. So given LHS. So given LHS is equal to, so square root of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. So already ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin x divided by 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. So rationalize the denominator. So look here. So in numerator, so 1 plus sin x into 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x whole square. So in denominator, so 1 minus sin x, so here 1 plus sin x, okay, 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x. So already know that a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So in the same way, 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x is nothing but 1 square minus sin square x. So a square minus b square. So a square, 1 square, 1. So which is equal to, so square root of, so 1 plus sin x whole square divided by, so 1 minus sin square x. So by using trigonometric identities, so sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square x is equal to what? Cos square x. Okay. Next step. So here square and square root get cancelled. So finally we get, so square root of 1 plus sin x whole square divided by square root of cos square x. So square and square root get cancelled. So finally we get, so 1 plus sin x divided by cos x. So dividing each term by cos x. So 1 divided by cos x plus sin x divided by cos x. So 1 divided by cos x what? Secant x, right? So secant x plus sin x by cos x tan x, which is equal to what? RHS. Let's display the question. So which is equal to RHS. So look here, secant x plus tan x. So finally we get secant x plus tan x, which is equal to RHS. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ rationalize ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, next one. So next problem. So prove that next problem. So prove that 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 2 times of 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Again, so we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So first step what? So consider LHS. So consider LHS. So LHS ಏನಿದೆ, 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square. So here rearrange the terms. So terms na ಹೇಗೆ rearrange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? So look here. So 1 plus sin theta one term plus ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಸೊ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ನಾನು ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2ab. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin theta whole square plus b square value cos square theta plus 2ab. So 2 times of a value 1 plus sin theta into cos theta, right? Again a plus b whole square. So a value 1, b value sin theta. A plus b whole square again 1 square 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus cos square theta plus, so 2 times of 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Okay, block ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, next step. So you already know that, so just you rearrange the terms. So 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. So write the remaining term as it is. So look here, so 2 sin theta plus 2 times of 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. So by using trigonometric identities, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? So 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin theta plus 2 times of 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. So 1 plus 1, so 2, 2 plus 2, so sin theta plus 2 times of 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. So in first two term, 2 common, right? So take it outside. So 2 times of 1 plus sin theta plus 2 times of 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. So in total term, so 1 plus sin theta common, take it outside. 2 times of 1 plus sin theta common, take it outside. So remaining here 1 plus here cos theta. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ, 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ನಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? RHS. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಂಟು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Next one. Next problem. Prove that again LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Prove that in that first one, 1 divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 divided by 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 cosecant square A. So by using LHS, so we have to prove the RHS value. Okay. Solution, again consider LHS. So consider LHS. Okay, look here, LHS value 1 divided by what? So 1 divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 divided by 1 minus cos A. So next step, ಏನು ತಗೋಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ, ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಸೊ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ here 1 minus cos A cancel. So 1 into 1 plus cos A. So 1 plus cos A. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ LCM 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So here plus minus cos A plus cos A get cancelled. So here 1 plus 1 2 divided by, again denominator A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So 1 minus cos square A. So which is equal to what? So 2 divided by using trigonometric identities, 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. So 2 into, so 1 divided by sin square A is nothing but what? Cosecant square A, right? So 2 into cosecant square A, this is nothing but RHS value. So LHS is equal to what? RHS. Okay, next one, next problem. In that second one, so tan theta divided by secant theta minus 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cot theta. So first we have to consider LHS value. So RHS value ಏನಿದೆ ನನಗೆ cot theta ಇದೆ. ಸೊ cot theta ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದು, cos by sin ಅಂತಾನೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೋದು, sin by cos ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದು. secant theta ಏನು ಬರೀಬೋದು, 1 divided by cos theta. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ LCM ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, cot theta ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ LHS ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. So LHS, they already given LHS value. So tan theta divided by secant theta minus 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, right? So tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta whole divided by secant theta 1 by cos theta minus 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So here take LCM cos theta. So sin theta divided by cos theta. So here LCM cos theta. So here 1 minus what? LCM cos theta. So second term write as it is. So sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So cos theta get cancelled. So next step. So sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So again you take LCM. So here LCM 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So numerator, so sin theta into 1 plus cos theta minus, so minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so first you simplify the numerator value. So sin theta into 1, sin theta plus sin theta cos theta minus, so sin theta into 1 sin theta, so next minus into minus plus sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so whole divided by, so again denominator which is of the form a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus b square, so 1 square minus cos square theta. So look here in numerator, plus sin theta minus sin theta get cancelled. So 2 sin theta cos theta sin theta cos theta, so which is equal to 2 times of sin theta cos theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta, what? 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So 1 sin theta get cancelled. So finally we get 2 cos theta divided by, so here 1 sin theta. So which is equal to cos theta by sin theta, cot theta is equal to what? RHS. Okay, display the question. So look here, 2 cot theta. So finally we get 2 cot theta. Okay, write first. Next problem. Next one. So next one's same as last one. Okay. Next one same as last one. So third one. So tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A is equal to secant A cosecant A plus 1. Again, tan can be written as sin by cos, cot can be written as cos by sin. Next to take LCM. So finally we get secant A cosecant A plus 1. Okay. So consider LHS. So given LHS, so tan A divided by 1 minus cot A plus cot A divided by 1 minus tan A. So tan A can be written as, sin A by cos A whole divided by cot A can be written as cos A by sin A plus cos A by sin A whole divided by 1 minus, again tan A can be written as, so sin A divided by cos A. So in denominator, so take LCM. So numerator, write numerator values as it is. Okay. So which is equal to, so sin A divided by cos A. So look here, sin A LCM. So sin A minus cos A divided by sin A plus cos A divided by sin A. So whole divided by, again here cos A LCM. So cos A minus sin A. So whole divided by cos A. So sin A take it into numerator, cos A take it into numerator. So we get, so sin A into sin A, sin square A divided by cos A into so sin A minus cos A plus, again cos A into cos A, so cos square A divided by so sin A into so cos A minus sin A. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, sin square A divided by cos A into sin A minus cos A plus cos square A divided by sin A into cos A minus sin A. So look here, denominator value sin A minus cos A, here cos A minus sin A. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾನು ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin A ಮೈನಸ್ cos A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ sin ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ A divided by so cos A sin A minus cos A. So here minus common, take it outside, plus into minus minus. Okay, cos square A whole divided by so sin A into, so minus common ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ sin A minus cos A. Okay, so look here, denominator value sin a minus cos a, sin a minus cos a common, take it outside. So 1 divided by sin a minus cos a. So remaining value sin square a divided by cos a minus cos square a divided by sin a. So remaining values write as it is. Okay, next step, again you take LCM. So write 1 divided by sin a minus cos a as it is. So here LCM sin a cos a. So sin square a into sin a, sin cube a minus cos cube a. So denominator, so cos a into sin a. So you already know that a cube minus b cube formula. So what is a cube minus b cube formula? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, right? So in place of a, sin a, in place of b, cos a. So apply the formula. So which is equal to 1 divided by sin a minus cos a. So a cube minus b cube first, a minus b. So sin a minus cos a into a square. So sin square a plus cos square a plus ab. So ab value sin a into cos a. Okay. So divided by cos a into sin a. So look here, sin a minus cos a, sin a minus cos a get cancelled. So remaining values, so you already know the trigonometric identities, right? So sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So sin square a plus cos square a is equal to, so 1 plus, so sin a cos a divided by, so cos a into sin a. So dividing each term by cos a sin a. So 1 divided by cos a sin a plus sin a cos a divided by, so cos a sin a. So sin a cancel, cos a cancel. So here 1 by cos a. So 1 by cos a secant a. So 1 by sin a cosecant a plus 1. So display the question. So which is equal to, look here, secant a cosecant a plus 1, which is equal to what? RHS. Which is equal to RHS. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ tan theta can be written as sin by cos, again cot theta can be written as cos by sin, secant theta can be written as 1 by cos. ಈ ರೀತಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. So last problem, last one. So fourth one. Okay, x is equal to a into r sin theta cos phi. So look here, next question. X is equal to a r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to b r sin theta sin phi, z is equal to c r cos theta. Show that x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to r square. So by using what? X, y, z value. So we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So first you consider LHS. So consider LHS. So here LHS value x square by a square x square by a square plus y square divided by b square plus z square divided by c square. So they already given x, y, z value, right? So x is nothing but a r sin theta cos phi. So a r sin theta cos phi whole square plus b y value b r sin theta sin phi whole square plus z value c r cos theta whole square. So denominator a square b square c square. Okay, so next square ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a square r square sin square theta cos square phi divided by a square. Okay, next b square r square sin square theta sin phi divided by b square plus c square r square cos square theta divided by c square. Okay, next step, look here, denominator a square b square c square. So take LCM. Okay, so here LCM a square b square c square. A square b square c square. So first term a square cancel, so remaining b c square. Here already a square, so a square b square c square अल्वा. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so 1 into b square c square, again here a square, right, as it is, again r square, so sin square theta into so here LCM a square b square c square. So a square b square c square. So first term a square cancel, so remaining b square c square. So a square b square c square r square. So write remaining term as it is. So sin square theta cos square phi plus here b square cancel, so 1 into a square c square, so a square c square b square, so a square c square b square r square into sin square theta into sin phi, sin square theta into sin phi, sin square theta into sin phi plus here c square cancel, remaining a square b square c square into r square, so cos square theta. So this is sin square phi, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin square phi, this is also sin square phi. So third term c square cancel, so a square b square c square r square cos square theta. So LCM a square b square c square. So in first two term, look here, in first two term, so a square common, right, again b square common, next c square common, next r square common, so remaining again r square common, next sin square theta common, so remaining cos square phi plus sin square phi plus write the remaining element as it is. So a square b square c square r square cos square theta, so whole divided by so a square b square c square. So you already know that cos square phi plus sin square phi 1. So a square b square c square r square, so sin square theta, so this total value which is equal to what, 1 plus a square b square c square r square into cos square theta. So whole divided by a square b square c square. So again in first two term, so a square b square c square r square common, take it outside, so remaining, so sin square theta plus cos square theta, so whole divided by, so a square b square c square, so a square cancel, b square cancel, c square cancel, so remaining, so r square into, again by using identities, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so which is equal to r square. So display the question is equal to RHS alva. So nodi RHS enide r square, which is equal to RHS. Okay, clear? Thank you.